We could all use a hand when we're not feeling well. With its convenient top-fill design and 2-in-1 functionality, the Dual 100 is here to help relieve unpleasant cold and allergy symptoms. The top-fill water tank is always easy to fill, even when you're under the weather. The ultra-fine mist humidifies the air without fogging the room or dampening furniture. The Dual 100 doubles as a diffuser, infusing the air with soothing fragrances. Add your favorite essential oils to the base of the humidifier when you want to relax. Intelligent Sleep Mode turns off the display lights and automatically regulates humidity, letting you get some rest, while the Dual 100 works quietly. And if the humidifier runs out of water while you're asleep, it will automatically shut off. Thoughtfully constructed, the humidifier is safe for kids and adults alike. No matter where you put it, the Dual 100 will make a difference, creating a healthy atmosphere for you and your loved ones.
Introducing the new hands-free citrus juicer from Vinci Housewares. Citrus is such a versatile, delicious, healthy ingredient, perfect for breakfast, cocktails, recipes, and even desserts. With our patented automatic juicing mechanism, all you do is slice your citrus, place it on the reamer, and press the juice button. Use it on all kinds of citrus, from key limes to grapefruits. The Vinci pressure-sensitive juicing technology automatically senses the thickness of the citrus rind, giving you the maximum amount of delicious juice without the bitter taste of the rind that other juicers can't detect. We found the traditional methods of juicing citrus to be messy, inefficient, bulky, and requiring more effort. With the hands-free citrus juicer, there's no need to hold the fruit. The juicing reamer automatically raises and extracts the maximum amount of juice possible. Quickly juice any piece of citrus in under 30 seconds. And the built-in reservoir allows you to pre-squeeze 12 ounces in less than a minute.
like to present to you the Snap-In Strain by Kitchen Gizmo. So many advantages to this innovative product. First, it easily clips on like this to a pot, pan, or basically any type and size of cookware. And it only takes up a fraction of the space that a colander requires, which is great if you have limited storage space in your kitchen, and who doesn't? As unwieldy as a colander is, the Snap-In Strain is easy and simple to use, even one-handed. It's also dishwasher safe, FDA approved, and BPA free. This is a product that just makes sense.
The gateway to a smarter home is here. With the My Smart Blinds Automation Kit, you can quickly and easily transform your windows into your home's hub for all things privacy, security, lighting, and temperature. The My Smart Blinds Automation Kit is designed to give you the power to upgrade your home's efficiency. It's easy to install and can have your blinds fully automated in just minutes. Simply take down your blinds, install the included hardware, and be well on your way to a smarter home. With the My Smart Blinds smartphone app, you can enable sun tracking to maintain light levels as the seasons change. Energy savings mode will give your blinds the power to adjust your home's temperature, so My Smart Blinds will pay for themselves in heating and cooling savings. Live smarter with My Smart Blinds. Simple, solar, smart.
Flopster Kitchen Salt and Pepper Grinders. Come with an elegant gift box and a stainless steel stand. Each grinder operates with 4 AA non-rechargeable batteries that are easy to install. The wide neck of the condiment container prevents spills. The light turns on with one push of the button, which also starts the grinding. You can adjust the coarseness level depending on your need and preference. Welcome to the Flopster Kitchen family. We bring people together.
Discover the Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating oven. It's the fast and easy way to bake fresh or frozen pizza, thin or rising crust. Plus, it prepares convenience foods like frozen chicken wings, jalapeno poppers, fish fillets, egg rolls, and more. The Pizzazz Plus features a rotating tray that turns continuously for even baking. While ordinary ovens are heating, you're eating, because there's no need to preheat. Simply set the timer and it begins to bake. The top and bottom heating elements bake food from both sides, quickly and evenly. And because they're separately controlled, you can select the top, bottom, or both elements for perfect results every time. Use the bottom element to make a crispier crust, or the top element for a bubblier topping. And with the open oven design, it's easy to see when the pizza is done just the way you like it. The timer signals when cooking time is complete and automatically turns the heating elements on. Chicken nuggets, quesadillas, grilled sandwiches, and even cookies and cinnamon rolls. Delicious! The Presto Pizzazz Plus rotating oven. Get one today.